Hi guys, my name is Sangeet and I am from Steadfast Spoken English Training Institute, and today is our weekly presentation. So today's my topic is a digital marketing, sir. So guys, let's begin start. So guys, as we know about that, the digital marketing is one of the very great platform. As we know about that, we are living in the 21st century. In the 21st century, no only people wants to waste their any single second for doing any bad thing. So that's why digital marketing is one of the very great platform. So that's why many of the businessmen are converting their business into the digitally. Why? Just because of they are having their career into the digital marketing. So that's why they are converting their business into the digital marketing. So like suppose I am a businessman and I want to spread my business for all over the world. So without having a digital marketing, first I have to go abroad the country and I have to buy land, I have to give employment, I have to struggle more and I have to take a more time and I have to struggle more. So all that is very tough for me, and also I need a lot of money. But it compared for the digital marketing. So in the digital marketing, I don't be need for a lot of money, and I don't be go for anywhere while having my while sitting my home. I will spread my business for all over the world. Like how? First, I have to make one website regarding for my company as well as regarding for my product. As after that, I have to advertisement by Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. So definitely, if people get interest about my company and about my product, so they will contact me as well as they will subscribe my company. So definitely, if people will get interest about my product and about my company, so definitely they will contact me, and my company will spread for all over the world, and I will get response and behavior very immediately. I will get response, and compared for the digital marketing, there is a limit risk. But if I will without taking a digital marketing, there is a lot of risk. 110% risk factor is a lot. And compared for the digital marketing, in the digital marketing there is no risk. There is a very limit risk. If your product is good and your service is good, so definitely you will survive in the digital marketing, as well as you will be a very grateful. Like many of the businessmen are spreading their business into the digital marketing, like Flipkart, Amazon. That is a very good website. So as we have an idea some good, so definitely we will update our website into the digital marketing, because after few years there is a very great opportunity in the digital marketing. So guys, if you have any kind of ideas, so you have to just make a website and just update in a social site. So it will be very good for you, and it will give you some beneficial for you. So thank you guys for listening me.